Just like God up into the air, no doubt. Hey, Tropical, always good hearing you, sir.
Down at 6-9 up around Brooklyn, New York. Call me Lightfoot around Jacksonville, Florida. I'm breaking.
I'm phone in. Stuff like that, but we don't stay up late at night for it. Alright, tell Billy, Unit 2 in Georgia, wish you a good morning. Enjoy the day out there. I'll see you now.
Now I gotta start all over.
Some bank robber or something.
Yeah, 707. Yeah, I heard you earlier. I'm trying to get back to you out there. Brooklyn, just kind of jumping up and down.
Big Apple, sure enough. Around Brooklyn, New York. Now, I know you ain't too far from the Big Apple, but anyway, time for your day. 6-9. Lightfoot around Jacksonville, Florida, waving that hand.
No doubt about it down there in the sand pile. No doubt about it down there in the sand pile. He sounded real good up here around the state of Maine. They call me Mr. Screwdriver, we're telling you. Oh man, guess my little screwdriver radio just ain't getting out. Hate it when that happens.
Get a Phillips head out there. You get a Phillips head screwdriver, you'll be alright.
That's what it is. I was only using the golden screwdriver. I thought about stepping up to the platinum one, but I figured the golden one was going to be just fine.
Must have been gold-plated. You ordered gold-plated off of it.
Not there. But oh, Unit 2 said you have a good day. Your radio's doing you a good job.
73's to you, man. Sounded real good in my little radio up here around the state of Maine. Screwdriver, we're telling you.
Right back around this.
Hey, Roger's on the state of Maine with that golden screwdriver, one of those that's gold-plated. I'm about to have it off. Anyway, have a great day, Lightfoot around Jacksonville, Florida. I'm sitting by.
Sounds good. Got some nice audio. It's just low. I don't know why.
Hey, a dog on the phone. Check the bell.
Probably. What is that, the 959? 810-4. Yeah, it probably just needs to be...
You look in the wrong places at the wrong time.
String beans.
Morning modulation check, come on.
Good morning, Panty Snatcher. Good to hear you out there this morning.
You better listen to what that country radio tells you. It's time to go to work.
Small station, 427, North Carolina, standing by.
Big Apple too early in the morning for all that. You ain't picking out them garbage radios, are you?
Yeah, that's a little bit of Mother Nature going on. 427 working this small station.
Anyway, this ain't Maddog. I'm gonna wait right back and say top of your day. Somebody's got to do it, and as long as it buys groceries, I'd be doing the same thing. Have a great one up that way, Lightfoot around Jacksonville, Florida. I'm sitting by.
Hey, Fanny Thatcher, we appreciate the shout. Let me know the station's working, because we kind of got it.
Hey, Roger, Mr. String Bean, have a great day up that way. Just went down my smell there, Roger.
Those haters out of here in the Carolina weaving in this morning.
Smells like money, don't it?
You got tater salad all over your secret hole this morning. Sorry about that.
Hey, Roger, all right, String Bean, have a great day. Enjoy it, and watch out for the other people there. You never know when they try to run out in front of that garbage truck there. They'll be made a mess. Have a great one. Always a pleasure. Lightfoot sitting by.
We're gonna try to roll down the coast, 122 northeast corner, state of Maine.
Morning 122, I'm gonna wave a hand when I got your attention, Lightfoot around Jacksonville, Florida. Waving.
Waving right back at you, Lightfoot. You do got my attention, sir. Absolutely sounding good way up here into the corner.
Right back on the corner of the first town you run through around Florida. When you come across the border, that big old sign says Jacksonville, Florida. But anyway, have a great day, 122. Have a good one. As always, it's a pleasure, Lightfoot. I'm sitting by.
Real good copy, Lightfoot, real good copy. You take care. We'll do it again when we can. Mother Nature's been a little fickle up this way. 122 Main back out. Bye-bye.
122-25 in Georgia, break.
Well, good morning, 25. I do believe you said Georgia. Hey, 25 Georgia. Sounding good, sir. 122 Main waving.
You're right, you got it right. Hey, 122, you sounding great in Georgia this morning. 122-25, back quiet.
Real good copy, sir. Have yourself a good day.
Yes, yes.
We're on the standby.
It'll be back up. It'll be back up. Man, I allowed to come pick him.
He said 5.
Hello, good morning. 122-25. Now I compared to the rest of them now. I'm standing by. No, you mean from the Thunderbolt? Yeah. Oh, 22, did you say good morning, but I don't know if you're in 25. Checking the mail.